what's going down? Doing a little routine thing, man. I got a little jig up here. Even though I got vacuum table and everything, I vacuum table this jig, which is an exact dimension from my XY position. And then I just come in here and do a little wedge deal. Stick a piece of hardwood up in here. Got some red oak. It's not exactly flat, so it doesn't stick to my vacuum very good, so I don't even want to mess with it. So stick some little wedges in here. I got like a 30-degree angle or some crap like that on there. Basically just wedges in here. And I'm gonna turn the vacuum on. It might get a little louder. But yeah, I just wedge this in with a hammer. Get it in there good. Put another piece of copper in here. No big deal. Sure I'm all lined up. I already got the Z0 1/4-inch bit in there. That's going on. Start the program, and it's warming up. It. Basically, I just use that because hardwood is kind of a pain. So yeah, then I got my little cuts here. Basically, cut it out here. And go. And when you're done, I just grab a little hammer and it's kind of nice because I just slide the board down and just hit start every time. I'm gonna go locating it. And it keeps it in there real tight. And there it is. Really barely even hits my spoil board on here. So it's pretty nice. It's a good trick. Fast.